this is how we chat from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can inject SIM for the first time to your iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus Pro or Pro Max. If you're upgrading your phone from 13 to 14 or 12 to 11, you can follow the procedure. The basic tutorial, you can say that, but if you don't know, you can follow this one. In people of America, they don't need to do that because they don't have any physical SIM. But luckily in Europe or other part of the world, still we have the SIM plate. So let's go to the procedure. You can see I have here iPhone 14 Plus version. Could be any version of iPhone 14, and here I have iPhone 12 that I'm gonna take out the chip from here and I'll put this. So first thing first, you have to shut down your old phone. So shut it down, that's all. And now we can take out the SIM here. So I have this tool, it's coming still with iPhones. You inject this one and you have to push a soft pressure. That's all. It will come out as this. Gently you will take it out. Here we go. You see how the SIM is? Put this phone one side. So here is the SIM. I take out the SIM as this. You have to put same way. This is Movistar SIM from Spain. Okay, I put this tray one side. And I will take my iPhone 14. Here we go, guys. You see the physical SIM place, and you have the pin the same way. You have inject inside. You see how I'm doing, and put a soft pressure. Nothing else. A soft pressure. Don't put strong. Take this off as this. It's fine. It's out. SIM can't sit another way. There is only one way to go inside. It should sit this way. Very easy. You see how it is? Now we have to inject this one inside. Here is the SIM place. So put as this. You see here the golden part should upside on the display. Follow this one. Put a soft gentle pressure. That's all. The SIM is inside. Now I hit the power button to see the SIM is detected or not. And here you can see at the top 4G connectivity available. This SIM is for 5G network, but here we have 4G. The SIM antenna is up here. Now to set up your phone, if you don't know how to set up, check my video how you can do a setup for the first time. Not only that, how you can make an Apple ID. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye.